Welcome to today's video, where we are going to tackle a common problem that many developers face when working with Android applications. The issue at hand involves reading files in the assets directory, converting them using Moshi, and displaying them on the screen using Jetpack-compose. Now, the problem arises when trying to use dispatchers.io for these operations as recommended in the Android documentation. Now, let's delve into the solution to this problem. One key aspect of the solution is to use a LaunchedEffect to prevent an infinite loop from occurring. By wrapping the loadData function call in a LaunchedEffect block, we ensure that the file is only read once and not repeatedly triggered due to recompositions. Continuing with the solution, we need to refactor the code to handle data loading more efficiently. By creating a StateFlow for file requests and implementing a flow-based approach for loading data, we can ensure that the UI state is updated only when necessary, thus avoiding unnecessary recompositions. Moving forward with the solution, we introduce a setFileRequest function to update the file request in the ViewModel. By decoupling the file request handling from the UI component, we improve code organization and separation of concerns. Lastly, in order to utilize the I/O dispatcher effectively, we need to make sure that file reading operations are executed with the I/O dispatcher in the repository. By using the withContext function, we can ensure that file operations run on the appropriate thread, preventing UI freezes and maintaining a responsive user experience. In summary, by implementing these changes and optimizations, we can resolve the issue of constant code execution and ensure that file reading operations are performed efficiently and in a manner that is conducive to a smooth user experience. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!